this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you like this video and that you'll consider liking and subscribing. It helps me out a lot. And we are a little growing community, growing a little more every day. So thanks so much for being here. I'm glad that you all are enjoying my content. Today's video is a plan with me for this week. The base of this spread is the kit called Autumn Love from Scribble Prints Co. The date dots that I used, and all my foil is in gold, by the way, are from Harriet Wright Designs. I also pulled in all of the elements from the recent Rose Color Days fall release. You can see the glitter header tapes. You can also see in a minute the fall overlay tapes in a few different shades throughout the spread to add a little something to most, if not all, of the full boxes. And yeah, so everything that I used will be linked below. Sorry, I'm having microphone issues. Everything that I use will be linked below in terms of stickers. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Today, over these stickers and over this plan with me, I'll be doing the This or That Fall Edition Q&A, originally by Rachel of Gathered Plans and Allie of Joan Plans. They recently did a collab and put together this Q&A. So their channels will both be linked below. I watch them both all the time and love their content. Their style is definitely different from mine, but I really do enjoy watching planner people that have a different style to mine, so you may enjoy that as well. And here are the questions. It's a this or that style. Halloween or Thanksgiving? Definitely Thanksgiving. I'm not a very big Halloween person. I'm not a big, like, scary movies person. I was never super into trick-or-treating. I always felt like I was kind of imposing on people. I was never one of those kids that loved trick-or-treating. I always felt like I was kind of bothering people, and I've never been big on knocking on people's doors, if that makes sense. Definitely Thanksgiving. I love the whole vibe around Thanksgiving, just an excuse to kind of be together with family and be thankful. I make it a habit to note what I'm grateful for every day, but I really love the tradition behind Thanksgiving of seeing what you're thankful for. I'm always the person at the table who, wants everyone to go around and say what they're thankful for at Thanksgiving dinner and make that a tradition. So definitely Thanksgiving. Pumpkin carving or apple picking? This is hard. I would really think I would pick both, but probably pumpkin carving only because, well, not this year, sadly, very sadly, but every other year, I cut open a pumpkin with my students. We don't, like, carve it per se, like carve a face into it or anything most years, but we do cut it open and sort of observe the outside, and I let the kids kind of help me scoop out the insides, and they love it. So yeah, in that sense, pumpkin carving. Oh, for any of you who don't know, I am a preschool teacher, so my little 4-year-olds get a huge kick out of feeling the gooey pumpkin guts on the inside, and it's fun. And apple picking, I guess, for more of like a social thing with like my family or friends. I don't have any plans to do that this year, but I've gone apple picking in the past, and it's a really wonderful experience. I don't know if we'll do it this year, but I do really enjoy it. Haunted house or cabin getaway? Cabin getaway, 100%. I'm not a spooky person, as you will have heard in the answer to the first question. And I don't like haunted houses, spooky things, scary movies. No. Cabin getaway for sure. A cabin getaway is definitely my husband and I's vacation style of choice. We actually did a cabin getaway for our honeymoon. We have a favorite sort of cabin location that we like to go to, and that's definitely would be our choice for sure. Sweaters or scarf? This one was difficult. I love how scarves can dress up any outfit, but I love me a cozy sweater, so I'm gonna say both. I will stack a sweater on top, or a scarf on top of a sweater, and be even happier, so I'm gonna say both. Pumpkin pie or apple pie? For me, apple pie is more of a summer thing, to be honest, because when we visit the beach most years during the summer, there's a local grocery store that makes amazing pie, and I love their apple pie. So for me, apple pie is more of a summer thing, strangely. But I definitely do like apple pie in the fall with Thanksgiving dinner. Farmer's market or bonfire? Definitely farmer's market. Bonfires do not mix well with my respiratory system. I have really bad lungs, so the smoke and things is just not really fun for me. Definitely a farmer's market. Fall decor or no decor? Definitely fall decor. I will link my recent plan with me for the first week of fall, where I did include a little tour of my fall decorations setup. If you're interested in watching that, check it out. Leggings or jeans? This is probably obvious, but around the house, leggings, outside, jeans. But if I had to pick one, probably leggings. Hashtag quarantine. Tall boots or short booties? Short booties for sure. I have a pair of flat ankle booties that I wear all the time in the fall, so definitely short booties. I'm not a tall boots person. I'm definitely too short. I feel to pull it off. They never quite hit me right. Yeah, I'm not like short per se. I'm 5'3", but tall boots just never quite hit me right in proportion to the rest of my outfit, if that makes any sense. Yeah, and that is all of the questions for the fall this or that Q&A from Rachel of Gathered Plans and Allie of Joan Plans. Again, their channels will be linked below. And if I remember to, I will also write the questions in the description box as well. Alright, so since I have a little bit of time, I will talk through some stickers. Oh, this is fun. On Saturday, my husband and I ordered takeout for dinner, and we got cupcakes delivered. So that was a fun little treat. That little fall cupcake emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co., a recent freebie, and we started rewatching New Girl this weekend. The glasses on the TV are from the kit, a piece of deco, and the TV itself is from Once More with Love. Sunday which is actually the day that I'm filming this, I'll be uploading this video. That teeny holding the play button is from Glam Planner. We are planning to watch some more New Girl and do some more chillin'. We are going to have our usual FaceTime lunch call with my mom. The call script on both Saturday and Sunday are from Scribble Prints Co. I plan to do some tidying up just to prep for the upcoming week. We also have a grocery delivery coming later tonight. And yeah. Oh, and we're also hopefully going to go for a walk today in a park near our house that we like to go to. That park script is from Station Stickers, and the little couple walking with jackets on is from the couple sheet from Once More with Love. The grocery shopping script is from Letters to Apollo, and the emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then I'm just pulling in a few of the larger deco pieces that I didn't think I could use in other spreads, and sprinkling them throughout this spread. And then that's it. Again, all the shops used in this video will be linked below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite and least favorite thing about fall. I know most people talk about their favorites, but there has to be some of you who aren't big fall fans, or who have one thing that irks you about the change in seasons. So if you want to share that with me in the comments below, I'd love to chat. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Stay safe, happy, and healthy. Bye-bye.